Children, once again welcome to all of you. Children, in my last class I had explained you rotational symmetry and order of rotational symmetry, and here I am going to explain some more examples of rotational symmetry. So what is rotational symmetry? The number of times a figure fits into itself in one complete rotation is called order of rotational symmetry. Here you have to note that, children, the number of times a figure fits into itself means after rotating a figure, the shape that you are getting, it should fit into the original shape in one complete rotation, means in 360-degree turn. Okay, so here I am going to draw a square, and as you all know, all sides of a square are equal, and this is the center point. As you all know, this square will be in its original form after 90-degree rotation, 180-degree rotation, 270-degree rotation and 360-degree rotation from the original position. Okay, so here, children, your order of rotational symmetry is 4. And how you will find order of rotational symmetry? I have written the formula, children. You can see here I have written the formula. Order of rotational symmetry equals one complete turn is equal to 360 degrees. So I have written a complete turn 360 degree at the numerator end, divided by angle of rotation means angle of rotation here is 90 degree, because from the original position your square was in same shape, or you can say in exactly original form after 90-degree turn. So here I am writing 90 degree. आपका जो स्क्वायर था 90 डिग्री टर्न के बाद ही ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में आया था. So here I am writing 90 degree, and after simplifying both you are getting 4. 90 times 4 equals 360 degree. So order of rotational symmetry is 4. And you have to note here, children, that angle of rotation should be less than 180 degrees. Moving to the next page. Now, children, here you can see some more shapes. You can see this shape. A shape has turning or rotational symmetry if after the shape is turned it matches the original shape. So children, here you can see this is the original shape. When you turned it by 90 degree you are getting this shape, and this shape is exactly same, or it can be easily fit into original shape. So here you can see that this shape has rotational symmetry or turning symmetry. Now, children, look here, this is second shape, and when you will rotate this shape by 90 degree you are getting this shape, and you can see here this shape does not have turning symmetry. Moving to the next. Now, children, here I am going to explain order of rotation symmetry of a ray. You can see here we have the original ray. When you will rotate it from the original position by 90 degree you will be getting this shape, and it is not same like your original shape. When you will rotate it by 180 degree from original shape you will be getting this shape, and it is not same like your original shape. When you will rotate it by 270 degree from original position you will be getting this shape, and this shape is not exactly like this shape. So here when you will rotate the same shape by 360 degree means a complete turn, after a complete turn you are getting the original shape, and this shape and this shape both are same now. So here, children, what you have observed that while rotating the figure through 360 degree it attains original form one time, that is it looks exactly the same at one position. Thus we say that the ray has a rotational symmetry of order 1. Okay, moving to the next page. Now here, children, order of rotation symmetry of a rectangle I have explained. Please go through this. Here I have kept rectangle vertically, so you can see here we are getting rotational symmetry of order 2 or of order 2. Okay, moving to the next page. Here again I have explained rotation symmetry of a rectangle, but here I have kept rectangle horizontally, and you can see here we are getting rotational symmetry of order 2 only. Moving to the next page. So in case of a rectangle, your order of rotation symmetry is 2, and in case of a square, your order of rotation symmetry is 4. Okay, so here I have written, you can see here position after 90-degree turn, position after 180 degrees turn. So this position and this position is matching with this. So here order of rotation symmetry equals order of rotation symmetry in the rectangles equals 2. Okay, moving to the next page. Now here you can see order of rotation symmetry in a square. So you can see here, in case of a square, you are getting the same original shape 4 times. So order of rotation symmetry equals 4 in case of a square. Moving to the next page. Now here I have explained the order of rotation symmetry of an equilateral triangle. Children, in an equilateral triangle, all the sides are of equal length. So here you can see this shape, and this shape are matching with this shape. So here your order of rotation symmetry in equilateral triangle is 3. And after 120-degree turn, it is getting its original shape from the original position. Now it's your turn, children. Find order of rotation symmetry in the following figures. You have to give the answer. This is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. This is a square. And this is a pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides, and this is a regular pentagon. Okay, you have to find order of rotation symmetry in the following figures. So let's check your answer. Yes, you all are correct, and the order of rotation symmetry in this figure is equal to in equilateral triangle it is 3, in square it is 4, and in pentagon it is regular pentagon it is 5. With this we come to an end. Thank you. Have a nice day.